challenges are thrown at you, and if you come out from those challenges, then that actually describes that who are you. जब भी आपको चुनौती आएगी, उस चुनौती से आप जब भी खरे उतरोगे, तभी आपका असलियत मालूम पड़ेगा. So in personal, probably you might be having a lot of personal and the professional challenges, and probably I'm sure at the age of 22 also you might be having personal and professional challenges. Yes or no? We are facing that. Now probably here I need to control my mindset. I need to understand rationally what is right and what is wrong. I need to segregate that. If you will not segregate, you will have a problem. You need to understand your priority to a certain extent. The thought which come in your mind, that matters a lot. I need to keep a positive thought. I need to keep a good relationship. I need to excel. I need to go to the next level. I need to adopt those kind of a skill set. Then you differentiate from the other. I'm not in commodity. Now all these students sitting over here, they are the brand ambassador or a brand of a BRIMS. Okay, it's probably we are standing over here is because of these students. Tomorrow once you move out and you come as an alumni, being as a CEO and the managing director of an organization, we'll be more proud. Probably now once I'm standing and seeing all those faces over there, it's an excellent app. What kind of this thing students are there? Great personality. Probably पर्सनालिटी अच्छी है, क्यूरियोसिटी है, कुछ करना है, उस लगन को छोड़ने का नहीं. And I need to be committed, serious. Problems आएंगे. Don't relax. The time you relax, we have problem. How the brands are made? I am in Ahmedabad. How they are made? This is not a rocket science. It's not the faculties have come from different part of the world. Faculties are from the corporate. But those students over there have got an extraordinary willpower or commitment to do something different. And I'm sure the way we are excelling as far as the BRIMS which are concerned, and now it's an autonomy. And you are I think this is a batch, you are fortunate enough to be part of an autonomy. When we say autonomy, you're free. We are free to design certain courses for you. But you have to be more proactive. The challenges are there. You have to really ensure the material over here is a good material. I need to do the research. I need to have a commitment. I need to clear my doubt. We can compete with anyone. See, basically, all of us are his creation. He has not created any differentiation. Got it? If he has not created any differentiation, why I should feel I'm inferior? All these 5 fingers are not equal. Is it equal? Yes or no? All of us sitting over in this particular auditorium, maybe somebody might be having some weaknesses, some are more intelligent, some might be having different skill sets. I need to understand my strength. I need to go as a team. I need to make this BRIMS as a brand. Probably where we are standing today as an autonomy, we are feeling proud. That's the reason you could see the kind of personalities coming over here. And now you have to take it forward. Are you ready to bounce back? Yes? Okay, good, great. Now what we will do, we'll just take the next leaf. Burning issue. Remember, life will test you. People will label you. Some will underestimate you. Some will doubt you. सबसे बड़ा है रोग क्या कहते हैं लोग. And if I look at them and if I feel, oh, I'm inferior, I'm not having this, I'm not having that. अगर आप अपने आप को कमजोर समझोगे, अंदर से एनर्जी आएगी नहीं. Bloody, I'm the best. I'm the brand. I'm the brand of BRIMS. Talk on those bases. And if you are least bothered about what people are saying, you're going to make your way out. Once you're running in a race, your goal is that. आप पीछे देखे भागते रहोगे, अपनी मंजिल छोड़ जाओगे. लोग रहेंगे जो कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं. हम उस रेस में से जो हमें आगे जाना है, हमें अपना करियर बनाना है. So just understand the burning issue will be there. They are going to test you. Life is going to test you. It's not that easy. Roller coasters are there. They are the problems. As simple. रात है तो दिन है तो रात है. कोई सीधा पाथ नहीं है. रास्ते जाते हैं, टेढ़े मेढ़े रास्ते जाते हैं. आपको चुनना है कौन से रास्ते में जाना है. हर एक रास्ता कहीं भी जाता है, बट कहां पे जाना है, कैसे जाना है, वो आपको चुनना है. Are you with me? But that should not matter you. सबसे बड़ा है लोग क्या कहते हैं लोग. हमें लोगों की परवाह नहीं, समाज की परवाह नहीं है. हमें बनाना है तो हमारा मुकाम बनाना है. And once you think that, you stand here as an actor, stand here as a brand, Let people know, really, I'm a brand of brims. This, having in mind, will transform your mindset to a certain extent. Answer you give yourself in the mirror. I'm sure once you make mirror your friend, stand in front of a mirror and ask the right questions, you'll get an answer. Provided how sincere you are. आईना कभी झूठ नहीं कहता. आप में खामियां है, आपकी आंखें बताएगी. You are not true to a certain extent. Stand in front of a mirror. Say, I'm a courage. I'm a persistence. I'm the one who never quits. And once you do that every day in the morning, then nothing can stop you. Make mirror your friend. I'm not saying you look at the mirror and come to college. Oh wow, I'm the ऐसा नहीं होता है. Problems आएंगे, criticism आएगी, bosses बजाएंगे, उससे मुझे परवाह नहीं है. I've got a courage to face this situation. I'm well prepared. I know the problems are going to be there. सचिन तेंदुलकर 0 पे कितनी बार आउट हुए, विराट कोहली कितनी बार 0 पे आउट हुए. His last Australian tour was pathetic, bad, but still he's Virat. Got it? So I need to understand, if that mirror is there, think every one of you are there in that mirror and saying, bloody, you are the best. You are the brand of the brims. Once you start thinking on those lines, then I'm not concerned about the world at large. मेरी लाइफ है, मैं अपने आप से compete करता हूँ. I'm not competing with anyone else. There might be doctors, there might be professionals, but I am what I am in my capacity. What I was yesterday, what I am today. I am one step further. I can't say in a day you can build your muscle. It will take longer time. And you need to have a persistence for that. Are you with me? अभी कितने जन यहाँ पे आईने को अपना दोस्त बनाएंगे? Come on, tell me. Fast. Do that. The reason, if I stand over here and talk with that kind of an energy, that was a mirror what I faced at very late of my life when I was doing my law as such. Very bad into communication. And I was really feeling very scared. I stand out as a personality, but in communication problem. I stood in front of a mirror, took a small script, started talking. From there I built up in confidence. कुछ कर सकता है, कुछ कर सकता है. I'm sure if you enjoy the mirror in a clean way, with a full transparent way, mirror will tell you, Gary, don't play with me. You're playing with yourself. Be honest, be sincere. Go and work out on that. You'll get your answer who you are. Are you with me? Yes or no? Yes. Got it. Now, we have gone through a particular exercise where for 10 minutes we have gone deep down to understand the values, the culture, the problems, the families, the emotions, the attachment and everything. उसके पीछे आपके माता पिता का बहुत संघर्ष है. Got it? You need to understand. They are the one who have sacrificed life for you. They have inculcated certain values in you. I'm sure शायद यहाँ पे इस ऑडिटोरियम पे बैठे होंगे किनके माता नहीं है, किनके पिता नहीं है. आप उनसे पूछो जिनके कोई नहीं है. और जो जिनके है, try and ensure like is don't let them down. Probably once you're to this level, I want this iPhone, I want that iPhone, I want to enjoy my life, I will go with my friends. किसके पैसे पे? The time you start earning, then you will realize the importance of money. Try and understand the value of the money should be intact to a certain extent. The emotions which are there of your parents, brothers, sisters, don't let them down. कभी भी आपको ऐसा लगा आईने में चले जाना और कहना कि आप अपने माँ बाप से सही बोल रहा कि झूठ बोल रहा था. Up to you. Mirror will tell, don't play with an emotion. She had sacrificed life. 9 महीने आपको पेट में रखा था. She had gone through all the pains. Got it? Now it's my responsibility to ensure I respect them, I take care of them. If you take care of an elders, I'm sure the divine forces there will take care of you. Is it okay? Are you with me? So do respect your parents. Now we'll have this documentary. We'll watch in documentary. पापा कहते हैं. आप सुनो. Then we'll discuss on that.
सेकंड ईयर स्टूडेंट्स का, जिन्होंने हम फाइनल ईयर स्टूडेंट्स के लिए आज ये शानदार पार्टी दी है। थैंक्स अ लॉट, वी मिस यू। हमारे लिए कॉलेज का ये आखिरी दिन है और मैं जानता हूं कि आने वाली जिंदगी के लिए सभी ने कुछ न कुछ सोच रखा है, लेकिन मैंने अपने लिए कुछ नहीं सोचा है। और आज मुझे बार बार एक ही ख्याल आता है, बड़ा नाम करेगा बेटा हमारा, ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने तेरी मंजिल है कहाँ। पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा बेटा हमारा, ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने तेरी मंजिल है कहाँ। पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा। बैठे हैं मिलके सब यार अपने, सबके दिलों में अरमा ये है। बैठे हैं मिलके सब यार अपने, सबके दिलों में अरमा ये है। वो जिंदगी में कल क्या बनेगा, हर एक नजर का सपना ये है। कोई इंजीनियर का काम करेगा, बिजनेस में कोई अपना नाम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने ये मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ। पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा।
On the lights, please. Probably the reason of showing this documentary, उसके पीछे काफी अरमान है आपके पेरेंट्स के, काफी कुछ सपने उन्हें सजोए रखे हैं कि कल उठ के मेरा बेटा ये करेगा, वो करेगा, वो करेगा। बट कल क्या क्या बनोगे किसी को कुछ पता नहीं है। You're talking in terms of marketing, finance, HR, operation, particular industry. World is uncertain. If you think that you have to become this, it may never happen. And I'll prove you that with my experience. So probably once you're going on your path, don't leave your past behind. They are the major strength and booster for you. Then you have to be more focused in what you want to do in life. Probably आप रेस में भाग रहे हो, पीछे मुड़ के देखना मत। पीछे से all the divine force, everyone is there with you. Failures आएंगे, problems आएंगे, struggle आएगी, सब कुछ होएगा। आपको दौड़ते रहना है with presence of mind to a certain extent. But don't leave that values. आपके पेरेंट्स ने जो बुनियाद रखी हुई है उसको इंटैक्ट रखिएगा. Probably this is the time when we talk in terms of yesterday when Commissioner was talking about. He said 85% is an attitude and 15% is an academic. Look, from school days till now, how much time we have spent on our education. But after 2 years, once you step in, your attitude will matter the most. Organizations are there to train you, to give you that kind of skill sets which are there. Provided you have got the right courage, persistence, okay, and a passion to learn. That's what corporate are looking at. They don't want an intelligence. We'll make you intelligent, we'll give you skill set. अगर आप में कुछ करने का जज्बा है, I want those kind of stuff in my organization. And the reason of showing this again, documentary have got a logical link to what presentation we are having. Are you there with me? Those emotions of father, think your father is looking at you now sitting in this auditorium. उनके अरमान क्या है और आपका फोकस और गोल सेट क्या है? 2 साल आपके पास है, आपको क्या करना है? You decide. It's your choices.